Welcome back, guys. I'm here with Ashimary again. I got a tote bag branded, and then I got the box which is branded as well. I always love this color. Everything is always so nicely packaged. I mean, come on, it's Ashimary. I really do love Ashimary quality. So once I open the box, I see the wig, which we're about to get into, and I got a bunch of goodies. So this is the first goodie bag. All right, I got a cute white bow clip, then I got a scrunchie, which is a leopard print. I got extra adjustment straps. I got these lace tapes. I got an information card, and they get really in detail, like how you could go ahead and put on your wig. I love that. It's basically like a tutorial, so that's really nice and informative. I got another goodie bag, and so they sent a pair they sent an edge brush and comb. I got the branded elastic headband with powder puffs on it. I also got some pins, and I got a pack of lashes, 3 pairs of lashes, and I got another information card. I got a pair of HD wig caps, and then I got a bonnet which is branded, and I also got an Ashimary robe. Come on, give it up for the packaging, man. Beautiful. Then let's get into today's gorgeous wig. So for today's wig, this is Ashimary's upgraded reddish brown 3D body wave Invistrap laid flat 360 skinless frontal bleach knots put on and go wig. All right, so yes, it is glueless. This is gorgeous, perfect for fall. Love the color, and as I said, it's a 3D lace 360 wig, so you know it's right across with the depth of the lace area. This is how the inside looks. It has the Invistrap straps in the back, as I said, has a total of 3 combs. It has an elastic band on the inside, which is branded, and this is basically how you adjust the straps. All right, which we're gonna get into the easy application, and they also tagged the wig with their information, so everything is very informative. Oh, the combs are actually removable as well, so that's a good thing if you do not want combs in your cap or whatever. The front of the wig is so nicely pre-plucked. It's pre-cut. The curl, it comes pre-curled, as you can see. It's very soft, very silky, very shiny. I went ahead and slip it on, and as you can see, there is a bit of cast, which we're going to take care of. A little bit of extra lace is in the front as well, but the first thing I wanted to go ahead and do is cut off the extra lace on the sides, so my ear, it could sit around the ear portion really nicely. I went ahead and I cut off the excess lace in the very front because this helps to minimize the cast. You know, I just cut off the part that no hair is on, by the way. Do not cut the part that the hair is on. I just cut off the part that the hair is on, and you see how nicely graduated the front is. So professional, so good. I use Got to Be to just really get the front really laid. So yes, very much a glueless install. I'm just using a little gel, you know, since you know it's an ear to ear, we could just tack the sides, but I want it to be super laid, so I just got a little bit of gel, not a lot, and I kind of just laid that on the very front, and you see I'm just pressing it in, and it's really easy. Absolutely no glue needed, because the wig itself is constructed in a way where it's very, very secure. The lace is very undetectable, so I love that. There is just a bit of the line showing, like, you know, a little bit of cast in that area, so I did take some powder later on, which you'll see. But before I did that, I got my Ashimary elastic headband to further melt everything down, so just that it could be really, really flat and laid. And in this time, while the headband was kind of just laying everything down, I proceeded to, you know, doing a bun. It's a 360 wig, so why not explore your options, style it in different ways than just, you know, having it done, wearing it down. And I did do that later on, but I just wanted to show you guys that the wig is very versatile. It's a versatile 360 glueless wig. All right, so that's me just getting it ready, prepping it to put it in a ponytail. And that was very straightforward, not much to it. Everybody can do a ponytail. All right, so I used the scrunchie that came in the packaging, but this was just me gathering the hair so I could get it really nice and secure before I actually did the real bun, and you'll see what I mean. Once I'm done with, you know, securing it at the top, I got my face powder to help further camouflage anywhere I felt like was still casty. And so that was what I was doing right here. So I'm just showing you guys how you secure the back. Really easy. You take the comb and you pretty much just stick it in to your braids, and then I'm showing you how to adjust the Invistrap. So straightforward. You just use a little knob and push it upwards, and that literally tightens the wig cap. All right, I know I need to secure that part of the ear portion, and I did later. And as you can see, I'm wearing back the Ashimary headband here while I really snatch the ponytail this time. It was so cute. This little scrunchie is so cute, and that's why I opted to go ahead and use it for today's little bun. And I did like a nice curly bun. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I feel like you could go ahead and wear this for like a special occasion type of vibe, because I just left the ends kind of far. It's so cute. Love it. So that's pretty much your option. You could go ahead and put it in a cute ponytail. You could even do it differently if you want, and you could go ahead and still wear it down. You could do a half up, half down. The options with styling this hair or this wig, it's really endless because you can do so much with it. So shout out to Ashimary. I'm gonna put the direct link to this wig in my description box, so please go ahead, check it out if you're interested in getting it for yourself. All the specifications will be listed. That's it for today's wig look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.